Click on login. I am giving the admin user ID and a password. Once you click on the user ID and a password, you will get into the course page. There are various courses available. In case if you have enrolled for a bank prep package, the bank prep package will be shown. In case if you have joined for a CAT package, the name of the course will be MBA prep package. Our entire course is driven by artificial intelligence and machine level learning. Now listen carefully step by step. On the left hand side, you will find the digital library, programs, doubts forum, analytics, recent activity and classroom connect. Generally, the students who have enrolled for a particular program, for example, you have enrolled for a CAT course. In the CAT course, what are all the various topics that will be present? Quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation and verbal ability. In quantitative aptitude, what are all the topics that are present? Which is a number system. You can see these. You can scroll down or up. You can find number system. You can find arithmetic. You can find algebra. You can find geometry. You can find modern mathematics. Modern mathematics is permutation, combination, probability and set theory. You can find coordinate geometry, mensuration. All the topics will be shown under the subjects column. Now if you come down, now whatever I showed it to you, logical reasoning, arrangements, puzzles, these are all the new videos. Any new video that we uploaded, that will be shown as the top of the modules. Module section contains the videos. Test section contains the tests. Document section contains the documents. Total for a CAT enrolled students 758. I repeat again, 758 ebooks will be given. These ebooks will tremendously help the students who have just started their CAT preparation, right from the basics to an intermediate to an advanced level. Every kind of material will be available to it. You can suppose, for example, number system shortcuts, classroom notes. You can click on it. My classroom notes will open. You can see it. You don't need to write the notes. This is 2018 notes, 2019 notes also. I will tell it to you. Notes will be there. All you have to do is just make it big screen and you can watch it. You can go through each and every problem. There is no need to write notes also. In case if you go to YouTube live class videos, only in the YouTube live class videos folder, there are 440 videos are there and classroom content also 10. There are some more topics where I took YouTube live class videos. That topic videos are also kept it. And the best thing about our course is you can attempt a test as many number of times as possible. You can take the test. The entire panel will be similar to the examination panel. You can go through the test. The panel will be right. You can all mark, review, next, clear response, solutions, everything will be there. Right. Once you submitted it, within probably 15 to 20 seconds, analytics generation will be there. It will compare your performance with the thousands of students who have attempted the test. Test details you will get it. Result sheet you will get it. These are the students who attempted the test. Here there is an option of retake test. Suppose without watching videos, you can attempt a test. You can see your score. Watch the videos and then retake the test. Every time you retake the test, the analytics will be different, right? Analytics will be generated after you click on the test. You can see all the scores of all the students. You can also see the performance of the each and every Surya Prakash. Suppose you can click on it, you can see the score, how many attempted, what is the speed of that student, what is the accuracy at which he attempted it. You can compare your score with the topper of the score. I hope it is clear. So the course, generally for a student to succeed in competitive examination, it is just not watching the videos. He has to watch the videos, he has to attempt the test. For any reference materials, documents should also be provided. Every time you want to go back, click click on the digital library. I hope it is clear. Now we are at arithmetic, right? You can click on any topic. In case there is one more thing that we developed, that is Classroom Connect. In case if you got a class link and you missed attending it because of your busy schedule, within 2 days the video will be uploaded in your portal. I hope the idea it is clear. In case if you want a massive content, anybody who wants to know how we teach, you can probably go for the 2 days trial course, or in case if you are preparing for a CAT examination, you can send your CAT application, go for the 1 month course, see the kind of impact that I do in terms of helping you out with a solid content. In case if you like it, you can always get back to me and you can purchase the content. Thank you.